welcome to New Shuttle's digital platform. Academia What's Next is a platform and an initiative by New Shuttle where we talk to prominent educators and understand what a post-COVID next academic year looks like. This is Shashwati Bodhaku Dikshit of the New Shuttle team, and today we are delighted to have Mrs. Rachna Mishra, who is the principal of Amity International School, Lucknow. Welcome to New Shuttle, Mrs. Mishra.
Thank you so much, Shashwati.
So, Mrs. Mishra, I'll get to the topic, the burning topic, really quick. I would like to understand what precautionary measures is Amity International School taking, and as and when, which is an eventuality that the schools will reopen sooner or later. How is your school preparing for it?
The government mandated SOPs are exhaustive and cover precautionary measures against COVID-19. And we all know that online classes in particular and children's confinement to homes in general has resulted in a little bit of boredom and anxiety and a little bit of stress also in them. So we've taken several measures for kids' psychological well-being and motivation so that they don't lose their focus. Brief meditation has been introduced in the beginning of each class early in the morning. To minimize eye strain, especially among younger children, we have advised them to restrict the screen time other than online classes, like use of social media, television, computer, laptops, games, and mobile. We've asked them not to use, and we have taken their parents' help too. Eye exercises are also conducted in the beginning of each day so that this meditation, little bit of breathing exercises, eye exercises, this helps them to calm down, to remain composed, and of course calm their nerves also. Apart from that, seminars and workshops have been conducted on better response to the new normal of COVID-19. Parents as well as students are advised to follow regular sleeping hours, because if you have a strict routine, what happens is your bio clock gets set. Hand washing day was observed where the children were made aware, and we all know that in today's situation, use of hand sanitizers and washing hands with soap and water is the best solution. So children are made aware of it. Inter-school debate was held on vaccine nationalism, and this was a unique platform because nowadays we educators are also able to attend all the competitions and special events because we are all virtually connected. So this was a debate where children really worked very hard, and we could see the research work that they had done. And this, I think in today's scenario, this virtual platform is helping them a lot because they are learning the best from their peer group. Turning adversity into opportunity, all inter-school events of Amity Group have been thrown open to all our students also. So earlier, our students could participate only a few events due to the requirement of logistics of moving from Lucknow to Delhi or to other parts of the country. But now, children are exposed to a plethora of co-curricular and extracurricular activities. So they are being duly guided and mentored by our teachers, and they are setting high standards. And these provide a constructive engagement and an outlet, of course, for their creative talent. I want to mention here that 2 of my students of class 11 have their own published books, and they are available on Amazon. So see, this is the creativity which is coming up during this time also. And we have seen that children are confined to their homes, still their creative talents. We try to hone their talents to the best of their teacher's ability and the child's potential. So we have left no stone unturned to make everyone around us aware about COVID-19 precautionary measures. And by the time school reopens, children will be thoroughly conditioned and would follow the protocols for sure. So we are fortunate to have educated and helpful parents also who are always ready for the support. We always get their help. And of course, the pleasant sight of seeing children playing football or cricket or sharing their tiffin will not be a regular feature, but we have made our children understand that be flexible, adapt to the change, adapt to the new situation, And this is all life is all about. Each one of us have always faced some or the other challenge in their life. This is also a challenge, and I'm sure little Amitians are really going to work towards it and come out with strong potentials and strong aims so that they can tackle the situation in a better way. So it's a matter of great satisfaction. Many students have won prizes and accolades in these events. And we received enthusiastic response from parents also for these activities.
Mrs. Mishra, as you have very, very rightly said, that one positive thing that has come out of this whole COVID situation is that it has taught us adaptability, to adapt to newer and more challenging tasks. So it has taught us adaptability and resilience. One more thing that I would like to ask of you is, school all over India, they have come up with their own set of adaptive measures. So what, in your opinion, is your school doing differently apart from the other schools that you think sets you apart, sets Amity International School apart?
Amity Group actually trained its teachers and started online and fully interactive classes within a week of lockdown. And we were the pioneers in Lucknow to have started with Microsoft Teams. So furthermore, new software programs like Kahoot, PeerDeck, Quiz.com, Mind Maps, Flowcharts, all these have been introduced. The teachers learned it so well. I'm so proud of the teachers because they were the best learners. Even assessment tools like MS Forms, Exam.net, OLabs for practicals, all are being used by the teachers, which the children are really enjoying it. So the mantra at Amity International School Virajkhand is that we believe in personal connect and we believe in building a close relationship with the family of the student. So the parents are kept in loop and periodic calls are being made to them so that they can know about the progress, about the performance of the child and their well-being. So teachers are just a call away for all the blues that the children are facing these days. And this has helped students who have moved to their hometowns, which are in the interiors of the town. And conference calls are being made at least twice in a week so that they also are updated about whatever the classes or the sessions that they have missed throughout the week. So to break the monotony of the online classes, we are keeping in mind the emotional well-being of the students as well. So we are organizing a plethora of activities, and this includes bake-off, craft making, music, dance. In fact, virtual tours and virtual picnic was also arranged, in which the teachers were sitting with the children online and they were enjoying their food and enjoying the games. I'm happy to tell you here is that Global Times is our in-house newspaper, and this Global Times conducted a campaign to fight Corona all across Amity International Schools, and this received an enthusiastic participation from the children and the parents. You'll be happy to know even little ones were preparing sanitizers at home, preparing masks at home and distributing to the guards and maids around them who needed them most at that time. Amity has endeavored to give, I think, 360-degree response to COVID-19 situation. And I'm sure all my children are developing those life skills to start and be ready to face the challenges of life.
Mrs. Mishra, I can see the twinkle and the smile on your face when you talk about all these measures that are keeping your children and the parents happy. So I thank you, Mrs. Rachna Mishra. She is the principal of Amity International School, Lucknow, for sparing her time and giving us such beautiful nuggets of wisdom. I wish you and your school very well, Mrs. Mishra, and thank you for being on our platform.
Thank you so much, Shashwati, for inviting me for this. And thank you. I shared my views and I'm so glad and happy that you invited us for this platform. Thank you.
I thank Mrs. Mishra once again. So until we are back again with another prominent educator or a teacher, it's a wrap from me, Shashwati Bhattacharya Dixit from the News Shuttle team. Take care and goodbye.